Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Mart. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best GoPro camera cases. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the CamKix case for GoPro Hero 5 Black. For the ones looking for top high quality GoPro instances whose performance is the first rate, you have to supply this model a try. What makes this version stand out is that it comes with a solid creation that is not only dust proof however also water resistant. For this reason, you can make sure that your gadgets are secure whether you are touring or domestic garage. The sporting case also comes with a superior indoors layout that guarantees a case safety, retaining the sensitive gadgets in crescendo situations. Moreover, this unit boasts of shock-absorbing material that offers extra protection. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Amazon Basics carrying case for GoPro Large. Similar to different Amazon Basics merchandise, the Amazon Basics GoPro case is designed to offer you a dependable provider without having a high charge tag. It boasts of a huge layout that's equipped with foam that is shaped into 4 special sections that healthy your GoPro digital camera and add-ons well. The indoors is also padded with EVA substances that cushion the devices from unintentional impact. Again, the unit additionally incorporates a mesh pocket that gives additional garage area. Unlike maximum of the other models on the market, this unit comes with a larger garage area that is huge enough to preserve cameras. Besides, this unit comes with an integrated take care of and durable zipper that guarantees the exceptional feasible safety for your devices. At number 3, we have the Pelican 1200 case with foam. As you in all likelihood know, the GoPro cameras are designed to maximize our enjoy and adventure. However, while taking element in movement-packed activities consisting of diving, snorkeling, and surfing, their use is severely constrained. The Pelican 1200 case become designed with this in thoughts. For this motive, it comes with a waterproof production as a way to assist you to use them even on trips regarding running in rivers or seas. This manner that you don't need to be concerned about whether or not you're planning to move on a fishing ride or mountaineering. At number 2, we have the GoPole Venturecase. Whether you are gearing up for a weekend getaway or a day trip, Venturecase wearing case is a decent choice to maintain all your devices along with the add-ons, mounts, and digicam. The unit comes with a climate-resistant soft case that stores and safeguards up to 2 GoPro cameras and leaving plenty of room for different accessories. The unit additionally comes with zip wallet that maintain the cables and memory playing cards safe and secure. Made of high-quality substances, you may make certain to get a dependable service for decades to return. While the case has a distinctly higher charge tag, this unit is pretty spacious at the interior and elegant. And finally, at number 1, we have the Smartree GA700-2. The Smartree GA700-2 GoPro carrying case is crafted from dust-proof and watertight substances, permitting you to carry your GoPro digital camera anywhere you go. This sporting case comes with a double-layer package deal that offers you with more than sufficient area to hold your digital camera together with its accessories. Other than that, this case comes with plenty of area for floating take care of grips, chest strap, suction cups and more. Besides being accommodative, this unit has its indoors crafted from high-density foam that protects your delicate devices from scuffing. What's extra, it additionally comes with more than 1 compartments that hold the smaller accessories, boosting their accessibility. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this GoPro camera cases, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.